my mother-in-law, Sydney's mother's father was a policeman in Connecticut. He looks like a Keystone Cop. And he was, here I'll tell you another thing about religion. I never met him, he died. In fact, Sydney, your grandfather is named after him. He was on his beat, and a horse thief, I don't know, he was after a horse thief or something, and they couldn't, the horse thief beat him up, and he died. And his wife should have gotten a pension, but they wanted to perform an autopsy, and the Jewish religion doesn't allow it. So as a result, she never got a pension. She wouldn't let them perform the autopsy. You never heard that story? Oh my God. And you never saw the picture?
I might have, I don't know.
I wonder if
Harvey might have shown it to me.
Who?
Harvey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that was another story about religion, yeah.